A 2,100-year-old computer was pulled from a shipwreck. Not science fiction. Real bronze gears, older than most empires. Here's the thing. History is full of technologies so advanced, we still can't rebuild them. Number 1. The Antikythera mechanism. 30 bronze gears, built around 150 to 100 BCE, predicting eclipses decades ahead. Think about that. Ancient Greece had a hand-cranked astronomy computer. Number 2. Roman concrete. Modern concrete lasts 50 to 100 years. Roman concrete. The Pantheon Dome, 43.3 meters wide, still standing after 19 centuries. It actually gets stronger thanks to volcanic ash. Number 3. Greek fire. A Byzantine weapon that burned on water. Used for nearly 800 years. Then the formula vanished when Constantinople fell. Nobody's recreated it since. Number 4. Damascus steel. Blades folded from Indian wood steel, legendary for 850 years. The exact method? Lost. Modern metallurgists still can't fully copy it. Number 5. The astrolabe. Islamic scholars perfected it, and it guided sailors for over 1,000 years. GPS ancestors, basically. And the Baghdad Battery? A clay jar, copper cylinder, iron rod, maybe primitive electricity. Honestly, historians still fight about that one. So why does this matter? Because progress isn't a straight line. We assume ancient means primitive, but sometimes it means we forgot. Civilizations hit genius-level engineering, then lost it, trade routes died, craftsmen kept secrets, empires collapsed. The knowledge wasn't written down. It lived in hands, and hands don't survive. Why did the ancient computer break up with its gears? Too many complicated relationships. I know. I'll show myself out. Subscribe, because next, we're covering lost cities satellite imagery just rediscovered.